Here we got some fireworks. Should have rocket at it first. Hey, Dad, remember when he bought these like back in 2008? Remember these?
Vaguely.
We got them after we went and saw, I think, Tron. Well, never mind. That one actually worked. I was expecting it to go through. No, Dad, I was thinking hooking a firecracker to the screen, but I wonder if I can get it to do something by pressing on it. It gets a little bit of action down here. What? No, those are just supposed to run on the ground. Those are these.
Oh, I didn't even see them.
Yeah. Oh, look at all this stuff on the screen from the...
Sulfur?
No, there's stuff melted into the screen from the firecracker thing. God, it stinks very bad.
Nice short fuse on it.
Yeah. There you go, Josh. Here, you get to light it.
It's just a little MA, it doesn't matter. Okay, yeah.
That's not even a fuse, that's a nub.
It's too fucking short. So as we started hitting it, it got very blank, and now as we're breaking it up more, it's showing more lines. Let's see if the remote still works. Hey, there we go. And then we don't go.